Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to take a bunch of text and make it so that it takes on a form of a shape. As I just showed you here, there it is. My name is now part of this ellipse. How the heck did I do that? Let me show you. Let's just delete everything and start from scratch. Step one, we're going to go ahead and type in whatever you want it to say. For me, I'm going to say Curtis Pike. That's my name. Let's go with it. All right, we're going to put that there. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag out an ellipse. But again, you could make this any shape. If you want them up, if you want it nice and weird like this, a really wide one, let's just go with something like that, okay? Doesn't matter what the fill and all that is, that's irrelevant. Now, we've got our text, we've got our shape. Now, we'll just select them both, why not? Now we're going to go up to Object, Envelope, Distort, and then Make with Top Object. Now, that is all you need to do. That now takes on the appearance of the shape. And also make sure in your layers panel that when you're doing this, that the shape is on top of the text. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.